Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph, not the third. We're going to be doing question 5 out of the top 50 most common ALJ hearing questions that the child is likely to run into while trying to get SSI benefits from the OHO division of the SSA via an ALJ, Administrative Law Judge. Here we go, 35. Is the child verbally hostile towards others? Once again, is the child verbally hostile towards others? Now, this is a good question. It's an important question. It basically goes through, is the child being oppositional defiant, having mood swings, bipolar? What do they say? Do they scream? Are they having hallucinations? Are they saying really, really aggressive things? Are they saying that they're going to hurt the other individual? Are they just, acting something out? Is it something that might grow out of? Is it specific to their impairment? These are the things that you need to think about when it comes to a child basically having difficulty with being verbally hostile towards others. And you have to consider all the different potential options. A child that's 0 to 18, potentially 22 if they're still in school. But the point is this, thinking through this, right? How do they get along with family, friends? How do they get along with, the general public, teachers, professors? If they're older, workers, bosses, co-workers, whatever. Think about all these different groups of people and how they interact with them. And it's important to explain why they have difficulty. All right. My name is Attorney Walter Knott, Disability Resolution PA. We'll catch you a little bit later and have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.